All right, the action is fierce here. The Philippine Army on top, 8-3. Let me turn you over to Rina for another courtside report. Rina.
Yes, guys, this game is undeniably a game of mental toughness. Now, it's such a great relief on my part also that one of the assistant coaches of the Viets of Petro team also knows a little English. So ito nga yung sinabi niya sa akin, they all need to outsmart, help their teammates, and be tight on the floor. Now, for the Philippine Army team, Coach Rico just said that they have to sustain their momentum, protect the lead, and minimize their errors. Isa daw malaking karangalan kapag maipapanalo nila ang larong ito sa kanilang Chief of Staff ng AFP. Back to you guys.
All right, and not only, of course, malaking karangalan for the Philippine Army, but to the rest of the country as well. And these girls are obviously playing at a different level. You know, if you're playing for your country against a different team, nako, napaka-laking motivation yan, ano, for these girls. Mayet. Kargado na. Kami serve, kargado na. And kanino nila dinadala doon sa dalawang Soviets.
And consistently. Oh, another good one from Daki. All the balls that are given to her, it's just, you know, converted into a point.
And I keep on glancing at Rachel's dad over at the gallery, and kita mo naman, tayo siya agad, cheering Rachel. In fact, I want to join him. Gusto ko na rin tumayo. Gusto ko na rin tumayo.
Mayet Carolino going for another serve, targets the corner and gets another point. Now we see that for the Lady Troopers, really, lahat ng ginagawa nila sa loob ng court right now, they really intend to make the most out of it. Sa service pa lang, kita natin na talagang may karga consistently.
Vietnam only has scored 3 points here in this second set. 10-3 po ang score. Over. She crossed the line, yes, she did. Clearly she did. And I can see the coach calling for a sub right now. This was the same sub he made earlier, changing setters. And number 10 has come in, Yen Trang, to set. Bagabaitina, Bunag again.
Oh, Trang and Tam had a bit of confusion there. And yung sinasabi natin, that's why communication is really important inside the court. You have to know kung sino yung kukuha ng bola.
And I could just imagine, hindi ini-expect ng Viets of Petro that they will be down by this much in a set after the 3 days that they just cruised.
Yes.
You know, in the elimination.
And of course, after they beat the Lady Troopers in straight sets previously.
I know, in the single round elimination. So, ito I'm sure has Rachel again.
That is very aggressive on the net.
Ganda nung, yeah, that's Rachel's dad. Kanina pa yan, every point that her daughter makes, he just stands up.
Let's take a look at this last point again. Rachel was just really fast in reacting.
Oh, that's overreaching. A bit too aggressive from Rachel. Alam niya na no? Once she heard the referee's whistle,
alam na niya overreaching.
Parang tinago niya na yung kamay niya sa likod niya. Alam niya.
Mali ako doon. But then, you know, she has scored a lot of points. She's backed on a lot for the Lady Troopers.
Long ball from Rachel. Oh.
Torres and Salak.
Alam ni Torres kanya Hinayan siya because she is the libero and of course she's the designated first touch. Kung sa dig siya dapat ang nakauna. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nice reception. Ooh!
That one is nearly out.
Napangiti na lang si Mayet.
Sa approach pa lang, tsaka sa paglipat, after ng contact ng bola, pataas na
Nasa ilalim siya ng bola. 13-6. They cannot feel too complacent. or be too overconfident, no?
Bunag.
It must be the hair or something. It's irritating.
She probably woke up on the right side of the bed. She ate the right thing as well bago itong game na to.
Most of them did, I guess, with the level of play that they're showing, with the quality of play that they're showing. Rachel to Nastia. Lien Tran called for a lifting violation. Again, Rachel getting the point. Ganun na naman. (15-6). Oh, poor set. Poor set.
Oh. Nagkagulo sa side ng Philippine Army.
Walang kumuha nung second ball. Sayang yun, ah.
Oo.
No? Easy sana yun, no?
Easy. But, you know, then again, tao rin naman itong mga to. At least they have minimized their error. But, you know, the thing here is that they have to make sure that they keep this same momentum on their side.
Ito medyo agrabyado si King Batse dito.
Kita mo yung labas ng kamay.
Napasubo siya ni Tina Salak doon. Eh, no?
Single block lang yan, pero yung paglabas ng kamay.
Oh!
This time, it's the Lady Troopers' turn to have poor reception.
Right, let's look at this. Ito yung serve ng Vietnam, and there was a dig, pero ito,